Hello, my name is Levi Moreira, and I'm really excited to show you what I've been working on. And basically, I've been working on a chatbot that helps you to understand your spendings. Like, you know how you sometimes look at your Momo transaction and be like, hey, I'm a franga in Zehra, like where did my money go, So I kind of built a chatbot that can help you on that. So I called it Budgetbuddy. So you can just ask it some questions like how much did I spend on groceries last month, or maybe how much did I spend on shopping, what was my top spending categories, and it brings you with some answers that can help you on like manage your spendings. So I built it using three main things. First, I continued with Google's Plan T5 model, like a language model that can understand and generate human-like text. And I trained it specifically on financial questions so it knows how to talk about money. Secondly, I use retrieval augmented generations, which means the chatbot can search through your actual transaction and pull relevant information before answering. Thirdly, I added some smart routing logic. So if you ask how much did I spend, it knows to do a direct calculation. But if you ask something like what did I spend in what did my spending increase, it uses like the AI to give you more thoughtful answer. About the dataset, I work with a dataset of personal transactions from 2018, and it has 806 transactions over the whole year that includes things like shopping, groceries, rent, entertainment, gas, and more. And it has 17 categories that are organized, and what I know the top spend as well is like credit card payment, mortgage, and home improvement. Right, so let me go straight to how I trained the data. So I didn't have a pre-made data set of financial questions and answers, so I created my own. And I wrote a script that automatically generated like 240 questions, like in answer pair and answer question and answer pairs from this transaction. That they had questions like how much did I spend on the entertainment in May 2018, like maybe what were my top spending categories. And then I used those pairs to teach the model how to answer like finance questions. About the model training, okay, so part training, I used like what I said earlier. I used Plenty Small, which has like 60 million parameters. It's not the biggest model out there, but it's perfect for this kind of task. And I trained it for 3 epochs. Each time it got better understanding how to answer financial questions. And I used Adam Optimizer with a learning rate of 0.00005. So about the results, so for loss reductions, the training loss started at 8,132, and by the end it dropped to 1,925. That's 76% reduction. Basically, the model got way better at predicting the right answers. Then for evaluation metrics, there's a blue score of 0.044. This like measures how close the generic text is to human reference text, and there's a root of 0.012. So this kind of scores may look low, but financial answers can be phrased in many different ways. As long as the dollar amount is right and the answer makes sense, I think we're good. And I think when we're going to test it, you see the actually works. I also built a Fire's vector database, which with all the 106 transactions, like each transaction gets turned into an embedding. So when you ask a question, the chatbot finds the most similar transaction in milliseconds and uses it to answer you. So I also of course we're using certain transformers for embeddings, specifically the mini LM L6V2 model. So I think we should now jump to the actual demo, live demo. Alright, let's go with the live demo, and this is my beautiful chatbot interface. As you can see, it's very easy to use. Yes, so let's try to let's go on with some questions. Let me say, where do I spend the most? So yeah, it's a on restaurants. As you can, the answer is not the best, but maybe it has what I call it answers. So let's try another question. Like, why did okay? Let's choose this one of the examples here. Like, why did my so it says Amazon is the only place where you can buy things, but I think what it's trying to say is like my process my spending increases because I spend the most on Amazon. Yeah, so it's still not accurate on answers, but yeah, it kind of tries. So let me try another question, maybe like, how much did I spend on spend on shopping? Sorry, shopping. So it says you spent 1,973 on shopping mostly on Amazon. Yeah, and you remember when I asked it like why did my spending increase last month? It said Amazon, so it kind of shows like Amazon like would be in the like the top spending categories. Yeah, so yeah, that was my live demo, and thank you.